Maggie's decided to start eating 2x4s. Hey Maggie, take it outside. Come on. Take it outside. Let's see what she does. Hey, come here. Oh well. This is her pile of sticks she has taken out from the compost heap to amuse herself. Wow. So peculiar. Enjoy your stick, Maggie.